fell. I just got onto the ferry. I'm doing the Path of the Gods hike today from Amalfi to Positano. I believe that the hike starts from Positano to Nocelle. I think I said it right. How do you say it?
Nocelle.
Nocelle. From there you take like 1,700 steps down to Positano, and hopefully I get to go to the beach. And then I'm going to take a bus back from Positano to Amalfi, and then back to Salerno. It's going to be a really exhausting day, and I'm super, super excited. And just look at this view. I just got off the ferry from Salerno to Amalfi, and now I have to buy a bus ticket to Positano to start the hike of the Path of the Gods. And I'm so excited. Like, look at Amalfi. That is just so beautiful. So we are at the beginning of the hike of the Path of the Gods. We took a bus from Amalfi to Positano, and then from there we're gonna hike to Nocelle. How do you say it?
Nocelle.
Nocelle. And then take like 1,700 steps down to Positano. And it is such a gorgeous day. I guess this is like a 2-hour hike. And I'm so excited. It's like, look at this. So I've been hiking for about like 25 minutes now, and this path is truly a dream. Oh my goodness, it is so spectacular. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I literally, of course I fell. That would be a hike without me falling, at least once. Just fell. Oh, again, I'm so sorry, but look at this view. Oh, that is just a dream. So from here, we go to Nocelle, and then we take like 1,700 steps down to Positano, and hopefully I get to explore over there, go to the beach, and just vibe. Oh no, he fell. Oh, you guys, it's crazy. So yesterday I arrived in Salerno in like the afternoon. I took a train from Florence. It was like 3 hours. And then I just hung out. I spoke with the host of the Airbnb, and I took a nap. I just almost slipped again. I'm not laughing because he slipped. It's just I'm laughing at me slipping. I'm starting to think that I need to invest in some trekking poles for these hikes. Definitely if I ever want to hike again in Switzerland, because you know what happened there. Like, look at this. Treachery. Oh. Then you get this. But yeah, this hike, personally, I'm not that much of I'm not really an experienced hiker. But I really believe that a lot of people can do this hike. It's not that challenging. But again, everyone's different. just make sure you have water. And that you're dressed appropriately. But hey, you do you. Who am I to judge? It is the famous Positano view. I'm so excited. It's so interesting because I've watched so many YouTube videos. This happens to me every time I go anywhere where I travel and like I'm doing a hike or just sightseeing, and I obviously do research. Well, sometimes I do research. I was doing research on this walk, and then I've always watched on YouTube Nikki Positano's YouTube channel, and she would often, I'm pretty sure she's done this hike and has filmed it, because that's how I heard about it. And it's so crazy because like I'm here doing it, and I'm about to enter Positano where she films and walks and lives. Like, it's just so crazy. I guess it was like a dream. It has been a dream of mine to do this. I'm always like interested in like saying hi to like passerbyers, but sometimes they don't even acknowledge you. Whatever. Wow. This is crazy. I just can't believe that I'm experiencing this. I had the same like visceral reaction when I went to Switzerland. Like, it just blows my mind every time. And it will continue because it's amazing and beautiful. Like, look. I can't stop looking at it. It makes me so excited. So I have about 5 kilometers until I reach Positano. Do I know what 5 kilometers means? No, I don't. But we're gonna figure it out. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this place. Still don't know if I'm going, if I'm on the right path anymore. It just like abruptly ended, and now I'm here. And I see no one else to follow. I think this is like the 1700 steps. I hope this is where it starts. Because if not, then I don't know. I don't think that was, because I just saw a sign that said stairs to Positano. Oh my god, you scared me, puppy. Okay, well that's frightening. Lord Jesus. I thought it was stairs down. Oh my god, is that lemonade? I have to get some. Yes! I'm like running now. Whatever, I'm on lemonade first.
Lemon slash or lemonade?
Ooh, what do you recommend?
Depends on you if you want something with alcohol or no alcohol.
Oh, no alcohol.
No alcohol. So basically, We have two sizes. This is the big cup. This is the small cup.
Okay.
The big one comes €3. This one too. This is lemon ice. Ice. Basically, it's a sorbet. It's slashed ice with the lemon juice inside.
Okay.
The lemon is
I
organic.
think I just want the larger one, just lemonade.
With lemon, with orange juice. Or?
Lemon juice only.
Only lemon slush or juice? Slush or juice? We can squeeze you a lemon if you want.
I'll do the slush.
The slush. Ok, Raffaele, una slush grande.
Lemon magic.
Thank you.
Thank
you.
Are you waiting for the bus?
No, I was looking for the stairs down to Positano.
Are you coming from the Positano bus?
Yeah.
You walk past it. Yes, you should walk back. Basically, you take the stairs down over there in the corner.
Okay.
You walk back after the restaurant.
Okay.
And after the restaurant, there is this bed and breakfast called Casa Cuccaro. I don't know if you noticed that. There is like a cave
Grazie.
with a bench with a fountain nearby.
Okay.
There, you take the stairs down on the right. You go to the church of Nocelle.
Okay.
There is the public restroom, and there is another lemon kiosk, which is Raffaele's brother.
Oh, nice.
And from there, the stairway goes down to the beach of Arena.
Okay. Oh, yeah, it's a map. Thank you.
You are here, down from here there is village, mini mart, square, restaurant, cave, rifugio Mele, Villa di Camash, Sentiero degli Dei. Start. You are here, start here.
No, il segno l'ha fatto già, con le scale per scendere ad Arezzo.
Allora when I go to the cave, the church, 2000 steps.
Okay.
Let's do it.
So follow that side. Nocelle. Okay. How do you say it?
Nocelle.
Nocelle.
Also, if you don't want to walk by the stairs, there is also another hike. You could follow the hike downstairs still.
Okay.
But instead of going straight on, you go on the right and you follow the little path that takes you right beneath here. It takes you back on the road. You follow the road until Monte Pertuso, which is the village over there. You arrive in Monte Pertuso. From Monte Pertuso, you take the indication to the church, and you see the tiles with the indication Positano Center Beach.
Okay.
And follow within Monte Pertuso, you arrive straight in the center.
Okay.
Because when you arrive on the bottom of the stairs of Arienzo, you're on the road between Positano and Praiano, and you have to walk on the road for a while.
Okay. Great. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you.
a good
Take
one.
care.
Thank
Ciao.
you too. Ciao. All right. Well, we missed where we were supposed to go, but that's okay because I literally got some lemonade and it's delicious. And I got a map. This is delicious. Getting lost can sometimes be a good thing because you may stumble upon something great like this delicious lemon slushy and a map. If you ever get lost, don't panic. And also, I didn't even know I was lost. I'm just gonna go this way. The steps of Positano. Great. Are these the steps? Ah! Nothing makes sense to me. Let's go this way. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. Alright, well, camera's gonna die and oh, restaurante. Okay, I will you guys check back in when I'm safe and sound. Alright, bye. So I'm at the final steps before entering Positano, and oh my gosh, it's amazing. And I cannot believe I just made it. 1,700 steps. That's like pure chaos. The last one. Oh my goodness. We are here. Now it is time to find the beach. because I need to swim. Like, I just had to sit for a moment and just take all of this in because I've literally been dreaming about this exact moment. Oh my gosh, and I cannot believe that I'm finally here. It's so crazy. I've literally been dreaming of this moment. Like, it's so emotional and crazy that I'm here. Oh my God. It is so beautiful. Like, words literally cannot describe the beauty. Like, look. Gosh, if you have the opportunity to come here, because it's so beautiful. No other words. You guys, I finally made it to the beach. This is the biggest win of my life. I cannot wait to go swimming. Oh Lord.